In the previous video, we have discussed about prana and nadis. Now in this video, we'll discuss about chakras. What are chakra? How many types of chakra are there? What are its function? What is its symbol? Etc. Meaning of chakra is wheel, circle, turning or disc. So the life force energy, which is also known as prana or kundalini, is set to gather at these centers in our subtle body. The chakras are basically the spinning centers of the life force energy which is present in person's subtle body. Some sources may connect these chakras with the nerve plexus and physical organs of the body, but in actual it is not as a part of a physical organ. The theories related to chakra varies. Different models have different chakras, different functions, different symbols, different colors, etc. As per the traditional saying, there are as much as 88,000 chakras in our body. But the widely accepted number is of 7 spinning centers in our spinal cord. Now the very interesting question comes from the doctors and scientists that why we are not able to see these chakras if it is present in the subtle body. Then the answer to this is the way we cannot see the sound waves in the radio even if we can open it. In the same way, these chakras, nadis, prana are present in a subtle body which cannot be witnessed by eye. So the major function of chakras is to collect and transmit energy for our physical, mental and spiritual use, and it is an effective map to bridge the realities between the inner and the outer world. So these chakras can be healed through various processes. Following are doing asana, pranayam, through aromatherapy, using precious stones, through visualization method, through sound, color and herbs. So when these healing practices can be performed, then the weakened and blockened chakras are healed up and many good effects can be seen. For example, high level of energy, diminish in the depression and anxiety levels, relaxation, inner peace, clarity of mind and thoughts. If any addiction is there, that can be cured. Then it strengthens the intuition and it helps in the recognition of one's own dharma. Now we'll talk about the complementary pairs of chakras. So there are total 7 major chakras. So 1 and 7, 2 and 6, 3 and 5. They are complementary pairs with the heart chakra which is standing at the center and it has no opposite pole. So if any of the one chakra is dominant in nature, it is very important to pay attention to its complementary pair of chakra for its development. Next, we'll talk about the symbolism of chakra. So each chakra is seen as the form of the lotus with the particular number of petals and a yantra at its center. The number of petals at each chakra corresponds to the number of the nadis which come and go from the each chakra. A very interesting thing, each petal has one letter of Sanskrit alphabet upon it. So the 50 letters of Sanskrit are mentioned at each petal of the chakras. So now we will try to understand why the lotus is represented for the each chakra. In the Indian tradition, the lotus is a very powerful symbol because this lotus is rooted in the mud and mud can be associated with the element earth, and it is also associated with our root chakra or the Mooladhara chakra. Then it has a tendency to grow through the water. The water can be symbolized with our second chakra or the sacral chakra, or we can also call that Swadhisthana chakra. Then the lotus has the tendency to just rise upward and reach the sun. So in the same manner, our Kundalini Shakti rises from bottom to the top and it reaches the crown chakra. So when the Shakti reaches the crown chakra, then thousands of petals blooms and enlightenment can be felt. Well, we have spoken much about the symbol of the chakras. Now it's time to understand about its shape. So each chakra is defined by a particular shape, and this shape we called as yantra. When we visualize this yantra, then the perfect harmony and balance is created in all the elements, and our outward attention is drawn towards inward, and hence we can reach the state of liberation.